Hi everyone, this is a spontaneous video of my problem with my Flipside wallet. Love this wallet. It's called Flipside. You can look it up, and it's RFID hard shell wallet. You can look that up yourself. For those of you who have this, you have this accessory, which one of the accessory, and this accessory is card holder. Well, anyway, I had this for 3 years, and last year, the rubber band, it's a simple rubber band, basically this holds cards or cash, and it clips on. And the rubber band, because I literally carry this every day, and it goes in my back pocket. You see the rubber band wears out here, and I can see it's wearing out. And at the time I was thinking about making this video, which was last year, this rubber band was selling on their site for about $7 and change for one rubber band. Now they brought that price down a lot because a lot of people was commenting on how expensive they're making this rubber band. And now it's selling on this site at $4.95 for two, which is much better. Today is August, I don't want to say the date, August in 2018. So the price is pretty good. I'm not sure how they're going to be in the future. But at that time when I was thinking about doing this video, so I didn't want to pay $8 for one rubber band. So what I did is I went to Amazon. I bought a bag of rubber bands. This rubber band, all it is a 1/2 inch wide by 3.5 inch long rubber band. So on Amazon, at that time, the 1/2 inch wide rubber band was sold out. So I bought 2 1/4 inch rubber band, 3.5 inch long. Turns out the length is pretty standard size. And, this is a rubber, I think there's 100 in this bag. So I can use this for quite a while. And all this I do is put this side by side. Try to do this one-handed. Can I do this one-handed? Maybe I have to put the phone down. Give me a second. Sorry, I had to put the phone down, but you can see it fits a groove perfectly. And the bag of rubber band, I think it's about $7 also for a bag of 100. There was a 1/2 inch by 3.5 inch long bag, but at that time when I bought it, it didn't have the merchandise anymore. But at this price actually is okay. Literally it's for $5, 2 rubber bands. Each rubber band would last you. Those rubber bands lasted me about 2.5 years, or 2 years. Let's say 2.5 years, and it's pretty sturdy. So, but this is a bag of 100, and it's up to you. But basically, just an alternative and option, and you can do this yourself. Or you could buy that. So this is 100 rubber bands for about $8. That's about $5 for 2. I think either way is good. At that time it was one rubber band for $8, and that's ridiculous. So just a quick video for everyone. Okay, signing off. Bye.